You're going to read the Quran, you're going to find something you don't understand. Guaranteed. Allah designed it that way. Allah designed it. You could be studying Quran for 15 years and go, Ya Allah, what are you saying here? In that moment, when you can't find it, when you can't find what Allah is saying to you, when you can't understand it, that is the moment where you have to turn back to Allah and speak to Him. The Quran is Allah speaking to you. Now you speak to Allah and say, Ya Allah, this ayah I don't get. Open your doors of wisdom. Let me understand what you mean here. I will try and contemplate to the best of my ability. I will seek knowledge from those who have it. I will inquire and I will inquire. But Ya Allah, I know in the end, the only one who can open the door of knowledge and open the door of guidance and open the door of wisdom is you. Ya Allah, open this door for me. You have direct access to the author. Other books you read, you're like, what did the author mean? You can't just call the author, hey, what do you mean? Can you help me out here? The author ain't got no time for you. But the author of all authors, Allah Himself, He's inviting you to go and ask Him. Go and ask Him. If you don't understand something, go and ask, Ya Allah, what do you want me to learn from this ayah? What should I take away from this ayah? This is a spiritual conversation between you and your master as you're reading your master's words.